for the chicken and sweet corn soup are 200 grams of sweet corn, 250 grams of chicken breast, a cup of carrots, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of oil, 2 spring onions chopped, salt and pepper, and 4 cups of water. We need 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 egg. You also need 1 tablespoon of corn flour. You need to cook the chicken breasts in water. Cover the pan and cook it for 10 minutes. The chicken is halfway through the cooking. Meanwhile, you have to add some carrots. And stir it. While the chicken is cooking, add half the amount of sweet corn in the mortar and pestle and crush it. Add the tomato ketchup in as well. Chili sauce next, followed with soya sauce. Add the remaining sweet corn. I mixed the corn flour with water, so now I'm going to add the corn flour in to make it thicker. It's not too thin and it's not too thick now. Beat the eggs and add it into the soup for extra flavour. As you can see, the eggs are now scrambled into the soup. The spring onion is the last thing you need to put in the soup. The soup is now ready to serve. Now our chicken and sweet corn soup is now ready.